Jackson Harbor. I'm going to give the tour of the Sled boat. This is the boat, and we've got our high definition dish for high definition television. We just came in from a day on the lake. Follow me, I know the way. Plenty of wind at the north wind. Illuminated palm trees, we have American flags. We got scenes, world scenes, magazines, Richard Pryor, the big one. Come on down. It's a little dark. Get an idea. Okay, we've got my shoes on here. And we have a gathering at the yacht club. That's Dave's birthday party. We're just having a lot of fun. So they're having fun at the yacht club. Okay, come on in the boat. Gotta take the shoes off. If we can get on this boat. Okay, this would be the cockpit, the navigation deck, and lots of little things. We have binoculars. It's our regulation size ice chest, always kept fully stocked with beer. Here's the best thing on the boat: pool furniture. Oh yes, and these are actual yacht lights, which illuminate at night. Yes, they do. Follow me. This is our regulation size stereo. Of course, got Paul Butterfield on. Becomes very loud. Regulation size ice maker. That's so you don't run out of ice on the lake. Come on into the flight deck. See, we have different things. We have radar, stereos, remote controls, 2 engines, so we can navigate this beast. Okay, now we're going down below. Let's go. All right. Come down into the navigation place. We have to close this. See, we have neon everywhere. No, you have to look at this. This is the control panel for all the electronics. Ah, yes. Now we'll turn the light on. And you can see the different gauges. We have a generator and things. Carbon monoxide detectors. Surround sound for the television. Now look, we have plenty of bright lights. Oh! Now the mood lighting is gone. Regulation size refrigerator.
It's sad, why?
We have frozen yogurt and other great things. Oh yeah. And down here we got cherries. We got yogurt. Oh. And prune juice. Of course we do. Okay. Cooking stove. That's right. Cell phones. Microwave. This is the music. This is the music department. Do we have enough CDs? And this is where all the music comes from. Yeah. We have videos and all that stuff. Hey, here's our computer table. Here, we'll come back. Follow me. Here, we'll get into some mood lighting back here. This is the cruise quarters, actually. Let's see. We have definite lighting, and look at that. We have closets and all kinds of stuff. Separate air conditioner in here, which is very nice. And these things go into separations. This goes into beds. This goes into a bed if you'd like a bed. Here, this is the head, which would be the bathroom. Okay. So we'll turn on the lights. Take a shower. You got to sit down shower. Of course, we have more music. Got to have more music. Yes, we do. Okay. It's our camera crew. Very nice. Okay. And as we head back to the captain's quarters, look at this. Is this magic? This is our high definition TV. And
yeah, I probably do.
Of course, we have different kind of mood lighting here.
Come on, all right. Why are you telling me?
TV, stereo, remote controls, neon everywhere. And of course, this is the captain's illuminated closet, cedar closet. We have a cedar closet. And that concludes our tour here of the Sled boat.